Neil from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne here. As you can see, we're working on a really dirty roof. Sorry, I hope you can hear me. It's very dirty. So what we're doing here is we're going to do a soft wash on this roof. But the first thing we need to do is to get all the kind of big debris off the roof. Then I'm going to show you how we're going to soft wash the roof, and that's going to add a whole nother layer of quality to the roof in terms of getting it even better than what you see. The amount of marking you're seeing here, and still a lot of kind of discoloration in the tin. When we spray the chemical, it does two things. It'll improve that in terms of getting off some of that deeper marking, and then also it will create a protective layer against mold and mildew and lichen growing back. So there's a couple of good reasons why I'd suggest you consider a mold treatment on the roof, and I'll show you the process as we go. Okay. As you can see, this is already an amazing transformation that we've just done for this roof. Now we're going to go one step further, and we're going to apply the mold treatment. Okay, so you can see here I can cover a roof very fast, which is great for me. But what we're doing here is you can see all these little marks that have been left by the lichen. And also there's just, on any roof, there are areas where there's just mold, and pressure cleaning won't get mold out. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to apply a mold treatment, which is exactly what this is. And we're going to just improve that level of quality. What you'll find in any case is that with any corrugated iron roof, or any roof in general, there are certain sections that'll just have mold growing on them. And you can see it a little bit here, where it's just black right on the corner of this ridge capping, you know. And this mold killer just absolutely gets rid of it. It's like an eraser, completely gets rid of it. And also it brightens the roof and creates a more even texture in terms of color and appearance. So it's well worth, I think if you're going to clean your roof, ask us about the mold treatment, and it doesn't come at a significant additional cost. Hey everyone, so these are the finished results. So unbelievable, if you ask me. I think this is amazing. This is an amazing transformation. No different to any other roof though, so it's kind of business as usual for us. So we've done a final rinse after we did the mold treatment. We did a final rinse, and these are the finished results. As what you should be seeing through this camera lens, I hope, is a consistency, evenness of texture, and a lot of that fine mold particles which sit on the roof. And especially if you just pressure clean a roof, you're not going to get it. You're not going to get them. You've got to kill those fine mold particles. And then what we've done after that, after we've done the mold spray on the roof, we've then rinsed the whole roof and just gone over it. Small little details. You can see all the root systems off the lichen here are out of the corrugated iron. That's what you want. Okay, so I highly recommend the mold treatment. It's not a requirement, it's entirely your choice, but for the money you spend and for the longevity of the time that it'll take for things to grow back, they won't have to clean this roof for more than 10 years probably. So it's probably never been done, and I don't know how old the property is, but I'd say over 20 years. So there you go folks, I hope that's helpful. All of the gutter guard, all of the lichen in the gutter guard has also been cleaned out, and we've just gotten great results. Love it. At the end of the day, it's our business to deliver on the work, and if you look at our reviews, you'll see that we do our best to do that on every job, and that's my guarantee to you. So if you want your roof cleaned or you want something else exterior cleaned, give us a call. Be happy to help and give you a quote. Hope you enjoyed the video.